Are you new to investing and wondering where to start? Well, look no further. This guide will walk you through the basics of investing for beginners, giving you the knowledge you need to get started on your investment journey. The first step to investing is understanding your financial goals. What are you hoping to achieve with your investments? Are you saving for retirement, buying a house, or planning for your children's education? Identifying your objectives will help you choose the right investment strategy. Once you know your goals, it's time to educate yourself about different investment options. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate are some common choices. Each option has its own risks and potential returns, so it's crucial to understand them before investing your hard-earned money. After getting familiar with various investment options, it's time to start building your investment portfolio. Diversification is key here. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can reduce risk. Remember the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. A diversified portfolio can help protect your investments from any potential downturns in a specific market. Now you may be wondering how to actually invest your money. One option is to open an individual brokerage account with a reputable financial institution. These accounts allow you to buy and sell investments at your convenience. Another option is to invest through a retirement account like a 401k or an IRA, which provide tax advantages and long-term investment benefits. Before investing, it's important to have a budget and save some money. Investing is not a magic solution to financial problems. It's a long-term commitment. Start by saving a portion of your income regularly. And when you have enough funds, begin investing. As a beginner, it's always wise to seek guidance from professionals. Financial advisors can offer valuable advice tailored to your specific needs. They can provide insights on investment strategies, risk tolerance, and market trends. While it's essential to trust your own judgment, getting expert advice can contribute to your investment success. Lastly, keep an eye on your investments. Regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. Market conditions change, and what may have been a good investment in the past may not perform as well in the future. Stay informed, be patient, and don't let short-term fluctuations affect your long-term investment goals. Remember, investing is a journey, and it's okay to start small. The key is to get started and continue learning along the way. With time, patience, and the right knowledge, you can build a strong investment foundation and work towards achieving your financial dreams. So take that first step today and embark on your investing adventure.